Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to install Jands Vista version 3 on Windows 10. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up Chrome. And then once you have Chrome open, you're going to want to head over to the Jands Vista version 3 website, which is now managed by ChromaQ. You're going to go ahead and go up to the top and hit the download button, and then scroll down, and then if you're installing this on Windows, you're going to want to go ahead and click that exe file. And then the next thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and close Chrome and then open up your file explorer and go and find it in your downloads. Click on it, then it should start installing. I am not actually sure why OBS went black during this time, but it was pretty much a Windows pop-up thing saying, do you want this app to make changes to your device? And then you just hit yes to that and it continues with the installation. And now you just have to hit next, I agree, next, next again, install. Now it hasn't started installing. I'm going to speed it up a bit so you guys don't have to wait through it. If you like this video, please leave a like, share, and subscribe.